Sanibonani guys, so I come back to yet another video. Guys, Yazi, I've said this before that if I didn't know better, I would say that amakhosikazi akamusa alwela indoda, because I just feel like, or at least in my head, when people bengene esithenjini, guys, there needs to be a level of respect for people that you found already there. But these wives sometimes, I mean, some people said ukuthi yes, umacele ujwayela umayeni kabi, but I just kind of felt like it was kind of disrespectful and a lot for umayeni to say ungijwayela kabi loyo. Even if that might be true, I just kind of feel like umacele is umamkhulu at the end of the day. I feel like there's numbers and there's rankings for a reason, and if someone is above you in ranking, there's a level of respect that you owe to that person, guys. It's like abazali. No matter how mad you are at umzali wako and you know what umzali wako is wrong, there's just certain things you don't say. So even when it comes to Umbali and Umayeni, finding out that Umbali was telling Umusa, ukuthi awuyi lapho, you're not going to Umayeli's house, I'm just like, Mbali, ma'am, did you forget your position yako? That's why I'm like, if I didn't know better, you'd swear these women are fighting for indoda. Because why would Umbali stand in the way or even feel justified to say that Umusa is not allowed to go to Umayeni's house just because Umayeni was at Oshabeni when Umusa was discharged? Umangwabe ungenaphi lapho? She doesn't even know what arrangement Umusa and Umayeni had. And Neske Umusa told Umangwabe ukuthi, listen, Umayeni deserted me. She's not here for me. She ran away and went to and be with her family. Asazi, but even if Umusa told her that, I just kind of feel like had she respect or had she had respect for Umayeni as an older wife, she would have just kept quiet, Banja, because that's none of her business. Also, when Umayeni was at Oshabeni, guys, Umatene, Umakhumalo, and Umangwabe were planning stuff in regards to taking care of Umusa and whatnot. All of a sudden, now that Umatele is supporting Indaba number 5, Umakhumalo and Umangwabe all of a sudden wanna team up with Umayeni. Yes, guys, if I was Umayeni, I would just give them current, because ngempela siyapretendana la. And the thing is, Umayeni, I kind of feel like she's gonna get burnt, because I feel like Umayeni is at a point where she is over Umusa's lies, over even hoping for Umusa to fix things. But Umakhumalo, I have a feeling that years down the line, she's gonna fix things with her husband. Umangwabe yena, we were ready to help her pack her things and leave Umusa the previous season. Come this season, she forgave her man and moved on. So that's why I kind of feel like, Mayeni, don't trust this alliance too much, because I feel like you're gonna get burnt. But I think Mayeni is smart enough to know that. Anyway, guys, let's pause it right there. You tell me your analysis and your thoughts around this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.